Hello class, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So you have finished your previous class work now? Okay. So all prepared for for your maths class? Shall we begin with our maths class now? Great. So can you tell me what is the date today? Previous class में मैम को बताया था हिंदी क्लास में. So now tell me also what is the date today? Today is 5th August 2020. Yes. And what is the day? So today is Wednesday. So you all remember 7 days of the week now? Which are the 7 days in the week? So come on, all of you say once with me. All the 7 days of the week. So let's begin. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are 7 days in a week. So keep revising these days of the week so that you can memorize them and you can tell me correctly. Okay? So which day come after Tuesday? Yesterday was Tuesday. So after Tuesday, after means next वाला मैम ने आपको मैथ्स में सिखाया है ना, what is after means? So after Tuesday, Tuesday के बाद next. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. Yes, so today is Wednesday. So you have learnt your counting from 1 to 10. You all know how to write your counting. A part of this we have done count and write. है ना, मैम ने आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए थे. You counted those objects and you write the number. Then we also did count and draw. What was that? A number was given to you and you have to draw the objects equal to the given number. याद है? When I gave you 6, so you have drawn 6 objects. Any objects you have drawn? You have shared that work also with me. So this is how we do our work of count and write, count and draw. We have completed that concept. Now what we are going to do? Today I am going to teach you a new thing, that is heavy and light. So which are the two things we are going to do today? Heavy and light. What is the meaning of heavy? Tell me, anyone can tell me? Okay, let me give you some examples. First thing, when we go to market या mama purchase vegetables or fruits, are you able to pick all those together? Are you able to pick them? नहीं ना, क्योंकि वो heavy होते हैं, वो भारी होते हैं. Heavy means भारी, something which we cannot pick. Now if you have to pick this stick, it is very easy क्योंकि ये बहुत लाइट वेट है. It is very light weight, easily उठा लिया. For example, I have pasted some pictures. Let's start our examples from them only. Now what is this? It's a bed. जिस पे हम सोते हैं, it's a bed. We sleep on bed. Is it possible for you to pick your bed? आप अपने बेड को पिक कर सकते हो, उठा सकते हो उसको? No, you cannot because it is very heavy. Heavy means वो बहुत भारी है ना? You cannot pick it up. Now if you go to market, you have seen pumpkins, a big size pumpkin देखा है आपने? Is it possible for you to pick that pumpkin? No, because it is very heavy. Now we have some light objects also. Like what is this? It's a yarn, wool yarn. ऊन का गोला? Yes, it is very light in weight. आप उसको उठा सकते हो? You can pick it up. If mama says, give me that yarn, मुझे वो ऊन दे दो, when mama is knitting a sweater, so you can easily pick and you can give it to your mother. Then we have a watermelon. As I told you about fruits. अब mama market से एक big सा watermelon लेकर आते हैं. Because watermelons are big fruit, बड़े size के होते हैं वो. Is it possible कि आप पूरा watermelon एक साथ उठा पाओ? No, you cannot. Yes, if it is cut. जब हम उसको कट कर देते हैं, पीसेस बनाते हैं, तो इट इज इजी टू पिक. बट कैन यू पिक अ होल वाटरमेलन? नो, यू कैन नॉट बिकॉज इट इज हेवी. वो बहुत भारी होता है. Now if I give you one more example, which animal is this? It's an elephant. Elephant. Now elephant को हिलाना possible है? If a original elephant is standing in front of you, is it possible कि आप उस elephant को pick कर पाओ? No. But if we have a squirrel, have you ever seen a squirrel? Gilhari? Or sometimes a small puppies, the dog's baby pups. Yes, we can pick them. उनको परेशान नहीं करना है, otherwise they'll bite you. But अगर आप प्यार से या if you have a pet, if you have a dog as a pet or a pup as a pet, it is easy to pick them. But is it easy to pick a elephant or a bear? No, because they are very heavy in weight. We cannot pick them up. Now coming to another thing, like we have cupcakes. You all love eating cupcakes. So you hold a cupcake in your hand because it is light in weight. आप उसको pick कर पाते हो. वो light है, हल्का है, तो आप उठा पा रहे हो. अब मैम आपको बोलती है if come and pick the table. मैम की टेबल को और you can think of your own table on which you are writing. Is it easy for you? No, it is not. But yes, if I ask you to pick your water bottle, for example, the water bottles which you carry to your school, बहुत easy होती है वो आपके लिए carry करना, because they are light in weight. वो वजन में हल्की हैं. So what difference we are learning about heavy and light? On the basis of their weight, उनके वजन के ऊपर. Clear? अब खाली बॉक्स है. If we have an empty carton, वो easy है pick करना. But if that box is full of toys, full of objects or books, is it easy for you? Now when you come to school, you have a bag with you. अगर उसमें बहुत सारी books हैं, आप नहीं उठा पाते हो, it is difficult for you to carry it on your shoulders, then mama and papa help you in picking your bags. But if you have only one or two things, like when we are going for trip or for picnic, आप उसमें सिर्फ अपना eatables लेके आते हो, तो बहुत easy होता है ना उसको carry करना, because we don't have the weight of books. हमारे पास उसमें books का वजन या books का burden नहीं होता है. So clear everyone the difference between heavy and light. Now moving to some different examples. Pomegranate. So picking a pomegranate को hand में लेना easy है, not for watermelon. आप पूरा watermelon नहीं pick कर पाओगे, but you can pick a pomegranate. If sometime mama asks you, please give me a tomato, आप फ्रिज में से या रेफ्रिजरेटर में से ममा को टमाटो दे सकते हो, because it is light in weight. If mama says you give me a milk packet, तो one packet of milk is easy to hold क्योंकि वो weight में light है. But मम्मा बोलती है कि give me a jug of milk, तो वो heavy हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि वो पूरा filled है. और a jug of water, वो heavy हो जाएगी because that is having a lot of water. But it is easy for you to carry one bottle. One single bottle easy है because that is light in weight. Clear everyone? Then we have a bat. So you all love to play with your bats. आप bat को pick कर पाते हो? There are two bats. अब जिस bat से आप खेलते हो, you can easily pick up. But if your father or your elder brother is having a big bat, is it easy for you to pick? No, it is not. So object बड़ा होता है, आपकी एज से, आपकी हाइट से भी बड़ा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाता है, तो it gets difficult for us to pick. Because वो हमारे लिए heavy हो जाता है. So some bats are made of plastic. Those are easy to carry. But the wooden bats, they are heavy in weight. वो हम नहीं pick कर पाते हैं. So what I want to tell you is there are two types of there is a comparison which we can do on the basis of weight, that is heavy and light. Heavy means भारी and light means हल्का. अब क्लोथ्स हैं, when the clothes are dry, जब वो सूख जाते हैं तो हम उन्हें easily बहुत सारे क्लोथ्स को उठा पाते हैं. But when mama has washed them, तो वो wet होते हैं. क्या आप उस टाइम बकेट उठा पाते हो? No, because it is having lot of wet clothes and wet clothes are heavy in weight. Clear everyone? The difference between heavy and समथिंग विच इज डिफिकल्ट टू कैरी, हम जिसको उठाने में हमें प्रॉब्लम होगी. बट लाइट मीन्स हल्का, जिसको हम इजीली पिक कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? सो a packet of bread, a packet of milk, they are light. Now one chocolate, it's easy to carry ना, pocket में भी आ जाती है, light and weight. But if I give you lot of chocolates, इतने सारे कार्टन भर के अगर मैम आपको chocolates देंगी, is it easy for you to pick? No, you cannot pick, क्योंकि वो weight बढ़ जाता है and they become heavy for you. Clear everyone? The difference between heavy and light. So let us revise these things which are heavy. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle the heavy objects here. अब जो heavy objects लगेंगे हम उनको circle करने वाले हैं. So let's begin one by one with all the objects. So we have a wool yarn. Is it heavy? No. आप pick कर सकते हो? Okay. So watermelon. Is watermelon heavy? Yes it is. हम पूरा watermelon pick नहीं कर पाते. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a circle like this. So bat. You all can pick your bat and play with it. Good. Then we have bed. Is it easy for you to pick up your bed? आप bed pick कर सकते हो? No, you cannot because it is heavy in weight. So what we are going to do? We are going to circle this picture of bed also. Then we have bear with us. It's a wild animal. और पता है इसको honey बहुत पसंद है. So you all love to eat honey? मीठी मीठी शहद? Good. So this bear, is it easy for you to hold a original bear? I'm not talking your teddy bear. I'm talking about this bear. No, it's not. So we are going to circle this bear also here. Now, yummy yummy cupcakes, strawberry cupcakes. You all love eating them? And they are light in weight. हम उसको easily hand में hold कर पाते हैं. Okay. We have a ball here. So it's easy for you to carry your balls also. You play with your ball. We have different sizes of ball, big ball, small ball. But we can pick our balls. Then we have a tomato. So can you hold one tomato in your hand? अभी आप एक tomato hold कर पाते हो. But if I give you 20 tomatoes, क्या आपको 20 tomatoes उठा पाओगे? No, because 20 tomatoes का weight ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और वो कैसे हो जाएंगे? Heavy हो जाएंगे. So one tomato we all can. Then I have one pomegranate. One pomegranate आप pick कर सकते हो. But if I again give you 10 pomegranates in a bag, it will be heavy for you. आपके लिए भारी हो जाएगा. Then we have an elephant. So can you pick up an elephant? No, we can ride on elephant. Elephant हमें pick कर सकते हैं, but we cannot pick an elephant. Clear? So we are going to circle this elephant also. So what we have done? We have learned the comparison on the basis of weight. उनके वजन के according. क्या heavy है मतलब भारी और क्या light है मतलब हल्का. Clear? So now moving towards our today's work. So open your book on page number 14 and 15. So your today's work is book page number 14 and 15. So open your book and let's see how we have to do this work in our book now. Okay, open it and I'll tell you. Now open your number book 1 and as I told you on page number 14. So page number 14 you will find the concept of heavy and light. So now tell me what is the meaning of heavy? Heavy means जो weight में ज़्यादा होता है and light means जिसका weight कम होता है. Understood? So first thing we are going to do here is we are going to write today's date, that is 5th August 2020 and this is your classwork. And again this page also you are going to do, that is 5th August 2020 and this is your homework. Clear all? So today we are going to do these two pages. Now what the thing is being asked to us? Color the heavy one in each set. So there are 4 sets of pictures given to us. What you have to do, you are going to compare the 2 pictures and you have to color the heavy one. मतलब हमें 2 pictures को compare करना है, उनको आपस में ये check करना है कि कौन सा object heavy है. Now tell me, if I give you one apple, is this one apple heavy or one big papaya is heavy? Papaya will be heavy for you. So what you have to do, we are going to color papaya. So all of you, see, you have to use your pencil colors while doing colors in the book. So we are going to do color in papaya. So like this, we'll color our papaya. Don't go outside the given lines and try to do your work neatly. Colors should be done in a single stroke like this. एक ही डायरेक्शन में आप यूज करोगे ना अपने कलर्स को तो बहुत इवन कलरिंग होती है. यू आर डूइंग इट इन लाइक दिस और लाइक दिस तो वो कलरिंग बहुत डर्टी लगती है. सो यू हैव टू डू सिंगल स्ट्रोक्स. एक ही साइड से करना होता है कलर स्ट्रोक्स को. So after doing yellow color, we'll give a little shade of brown color also. बीच में थोड़ा सा like this. Clear? Now what you have to do, compare these 2 objects. An elephant and a puppy. Who is heavy? Don't tell me, you have to color it. Then we have a jug and a cup. A water fill-in jug and a cup full of water, a jug of water and a cup of water. Which will be heavy for you? Just check it out. मम्मा को बोलना एक जग वाटर जग भर के देंगी और एक मग में वाटर भर के देंगी. Then try to pick it up and find it out कि कौन सा heavy है. Then one balloon and a ball. Which will be heavy, you have to color. So color this and share your work with me. Moving towards today's homework, tick the light things in each set. Now what you have to do, you have to put a tick mark. So for this we are going to take a pencil and you have to tick the light. What is the meaning of light? Light things कौन से होते हैं? जिनका weight कम होता है. Yes. So now we have a tomato and a pumpkin. Now tell me, is it easy to hold a tomato or a pumpkin? किसको आप easily pick कर सकते हो? A tomato ना, because it is light in weight, वो वजन में कम है. So we are going to put a tick mark here like this. Clear everyone? Now we have a bat and a ball. So which one is easy for you to pick? Easy कौन सा है? I know if you will try, you will able to pick both. But which one is easy for you? A ball is easy for you, है ना? So we are going to put a tick on a ball. Now we have a small bag and a big bag, a big suitcase. So can you tell me which one is easy for you to pick? Or for example, I tell you, Mama's handbag is easy to pick or Papa's laptop bag is easy to pick? Mama's handbag na? So what we are going to do, we are going to tick here. Now we have a heavy school bag full of books and only a color box. अब color box pick करना easy है या full school bag pick करना easy है? See, this is a color box. Is it easy to pick? है ना? या अगर मैम बोले pick your whole bag, आप पूरे single hand से अपना bag pick कर सकते हो? No, you cannot. So, picking a color box is easy. It is light in weight. Clear all? Your today's homework and your today's classwork. So color the pictures, those are heavy in weight, and share your work. So class, I hope you must have understood how you have to complete your today's work. So complete your work carefully, neatly. Don't forget to write down date, classwork or homework, whichever has been assigned to you. Again, complete it and share the work with me. So what we have learned today, we have learned about the concept of heavy and light, and this is we have done on the basis of their weight. A comparison of different objects on the basis of their weight. Weight मतलब वजन. जब आप मार्केट जाते हो, आप चीज़ों को वजन करवा के परचेज करते हो ना, so that is called weight. हम बोलते हैं give me 1 kg of potatoes, 1 kg of tomatoes from green grocer. So this is called weight. Clear everyone? Complete your work, share it, and now get ready for the next class. Bye all.